Everybody loves Mario Kart, and if you're not familiar, go out, try it, go over to a friend's house, or whatever, try out Mario Kart. Now, the way the Mario Kart system wins is that in order to win a circuit on a series of 4 races, you do not need to win every single race. The way it works out is, we see here in this table, that if you are a first place finisher, you're going to receive 15 points. If you're a second place finisher, you get 12 points. If you're a third place finisher, you get 10 points. And if you're a last place finisher, you get 1 point. So what happens after 4 consecutive races in a circuit, you're going to add together all of your points for those races, and the racer with the highest total score, they're going to be the winner. So you might actually be able to win, coming in third, fourth, fifth even, along the way, and you could still win depending upon the balance from everybody else. Our next method of voting, called Borda's method, is this score-based method, just like Mario Kart, but it's going to be combined to a little bit of golf. Now, the way our method for Borda is going to work is the Borda Score-based voting. All of our candidates are going to be ranked with a preference table, as we saw previously looking at a plurality or runoff. Those rankings are going to be given a point total. So first place is going to be 1 point, second place is going to be 2 points, third place 3 points, etc. We're going to take for our candidates the sum of all of those points. That total we're going to call our Borda Score. The candidate with the lowest vote total is what is our Borda winner. The idea behind this is that you don't always need the first place votes. You need the highest total score. And it seems that, okay, it balances out those high rankings with really low rankings. Now, kind of manipulation-wise, if you have 5 candidates, you can give somebody a 5th place vote if you really want to tank their score, give them a lot of points. But this idea is that it gives you a balance of better scores, and a lower score indicates that you have more higher rankings. A higher score indicates that you have more lower rankings, and fewer people actually prefer you as a candidate. So let's try this out. Here, we've got this table, and we're looking at our favorite pizza toppings between pepperoni, pineapple, and anchovies. Across the top, we are looking at percentage of voters, same thing as the number of voters, except now our votes add to 100 total. We have our preference tables that show our first place, second place, third place rankings amongst our 3 different candidates, pepperoni, pineapple, and anchovies. The way Borda Score works is every first place vote is going to count as 1 point. Every second place vote is going to count as 2 points. Every third place vote is going to count as 3 points. So we need to go through, add together, find our total. The way I'm going to do this is our Borda Score. We're going to have first place votes. So I'm going to take the first place votes multiplied by the number of total votes that give us first place. We're going to add to that second place votes multiplied by the total number of second place votes. We're going to take our third place votes that are worth 3 points and add together the total number, or multiply the total number of third place votes. So I've set this up where I've got 1 point, 2 points, 3 points. Looking at pepperoni, there are 36 total voters, or 36% that vote first place. So I'm going to put 36 there. There are 17% that vote second place. So I'm going to do 2 times 17. We've got 20 and 27, 47 times 3, giving us 3 points. So we've got 36 plus, that's 34 plus 1, 41. I'm going to add those together, 36 and 34 is 70. That's going to give us a total of 211 points. That is our Borda Score for pepperoni. So what I'm doing is, I'm looking at the total number of votes, or percentage of votes, that are first rank, the total percentage of votes that are second rank, the total percentage of votes, or number of votes, that are third rank. And then we're going to multiply by the points for those ranks, add everything together. Let's do pineapple. So pineapple, we have 30 votes that are first place. We have 33, we have 60 votes that are second place. And we have 10 votes that are third place. So crunching these numbers, we've got 30 plus 120 plus 30. That brings us to 30 and 120 is 150, brings us up to 180 points. Next, we're going to look at anchovies. So our anchovies, we have 34% are first place. We're going to have 23% are second place, and we're going to have 43 at third place. I'm going to take those, so that's 34 points plus 46 points plus 129 points. 34 and 46 gets us 80, and that gets us 209. So based upon this, our lowest Borda Score is our second option, pineapple. Pineapple is our Borda Score winner. Now, there's a lot of computation here. I need to make certain that I did this correctly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the total number of votes. Well, 36, 30, and 34, that adds to 100 votes. Ooh, we get 100%. If we check 17 plus 60 plus 23, that adds to 100 votes. And if we check 47 plus 10 plus 43, that adds to 100 votes. So I've accounted for everything there. This is a score-based, so first place gets 1 point, second place gets 2 points, third place gets 3 points. We add everything together, get our total Borda score, and the lowest is going to be our winner.